हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ एसे डिसिप्लिन पर। मैं आपके साथ ये ऐसे 300 वर्ड्स के साथ शेयर करूँगी और इंग्लिश में शेयर करूँगी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो। Discipline is the one of the most essential elements of human life, which makes us the smartest of all living beings. Discipline means doing work orderly and according to the rules and regulation, being punctual and regular. Discipline is considered to be the key to success, and it makes every aspect of our life beautiful. Discipline is a word which contains a lot of value in our life, and its importance can be seen anywhere. We learn it from family, at home, as well as at school. Discipline that is learned at an early age of life is long lasting and beneficial. A student with discipline is always punctual, finishes his homework on time. Discipline helps students to get success in every walk of life. It gives us better health, more respect, more money. Above all, it makes us perfect human beings. It helps us men to be honest, self-satisfied and successful in life. Lack of discipline creates failure, disrespect and confusion in one's life. There are many physical, psychological and health benefits of a disciplined life. A student should learn discipline at an early to be better to his future career. Thus, it is clear that discipline is needed in every field of our life. It is not very easy to be a disciplined person. One has to make many sacrifices for this. The two most important qualities that one must have for discipline are patience and hard work. In the world, there are numerous things that divert our attention from the important works and lead us in the wrong way. But discipline is a weapon that saves us from them. Overall, we must know that discipline always matter to become successful. Therefore, discipline key to success and very important in student life. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगे तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।